In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check my orders in Amazon Kindle. To get started, open Amazon in your web browser and sign in to the account connected to your Kindle purchases. This part is important because if you have more than one Amazon account, your Kindle books and digital purchases will only appear under the account that was used to buy them. Once you're signed in, move to the Accounts and Lists menu and open your orders. From there, use the order filter to switch to digital orders. This is the main section where Amazon stores your digital purchase history, and it's the easiest place to review Kindle-related transactions. Here, you may see Kindle ebooks, magazine subscriptions, Audible purchases linked to Amazon, and other digital content. As you browse through your digital orders, you'll be able to review useful details like book titles, purchase dates, order numbers, payment methods, and prices. If you're trying to locate one specific purchase, using the search bar can save time, especially if you have a long order history. Next, go to Manage Your Content and Devices in your Amazon account, then open the Content tab. This area gives you a broader view of your Kindle content, not just your purchases. You may see purchased books, borrowed books, samples, subscriptions, and delivery information. This is especially helpful if you want to confirm where a book was delivered or whether it's still available in your library. If you're using a Kindle device or the Kindle app, you can also open your Kindle library directly. There, you'll be able to view both downloaded books and titles stored in the cloud. In most cases, books purchased through Amazon will automatically appear in your library, making this a quick way to confirm whether a title is attached to your account. If you use Kindle Unlimited, visit Manage Your Content and Devices and look for borrowed Kindle Unlimited titles. You can review both active and previously borrowed books. Just keep in mind that these borrowed titles are not listed as purchases, since they come through the subscription rather than a direct payment. If you need billing records, go back to Digital Orders, find the Kindle purchase, and open order details. This is where you can check available receipt and invoice information. It's useful if you need proof of purchase for personal records or expense tracking. You can also check your email inbox for purchase confirmations. Try searching for phrases like Kindle order confirmation, Amazon digital order, or even the title of the book. Finally, inside Manage Your Content and Devices, you can manage your Kindle content by delivering books to devices, removing downloads, returning eligible books, updating